video from Tucker Designs, guys. Very short, very sweet. Might only have to do a little bit of editing with you. That's how short it's gonna be. But yeah, today, unboxing, unbagging, whatever you want to call it. All right, so first up, we got grill material. All right, that's for the Infinity Grill. All right, I'm gonna cut and make my own. That's one. Oh, man, that's one. Seven. Two. Resonators. Yeah. The G35. The ones in the car are currently 2.5 pipe to 3 inch. These are 2.5 to 4. Hopefully I get the sound I'm looking for, but we will see sometime this weekend. You'll probably see next week. Just gonna keep it real with you. All right, that's 2 boxes. Third is, good Lord, they take this up. I'm just gonna cut into it. Ain't nothing that can live back there. You guys can see circuit breaker with a fuse installed. And those of you familiar with this is for battery relocation for the 240. Jeremiah ran the wire sometime last year. The battery box is already there, or the bracket. I already have the battery. I got some connectors already. Got the connectors here. So sometime next week I'll get to finishing the battery location for the 240. And once that is done, I can start on what I want to do with the trunk while we wait on parts that I haven't ordered yet for the engine. The plan is to go ahead and install the motor, stock ECU, stock injectors, have it run, and later on, as we get the parts, do what we have to do with the turbo. And so, 3 items. I've been busy doing shit in the backyard and working on office bumper, so not too much going on for me per se. One last thing, spin you guys around. Remember, you haven't seen that video yet. It's coming. G35 hood, and I went ahead and seam sealed these areas right here. Just so hoods are 2-part. You have the rib and the skin cover, if you want to call it that. I put seam sealer between the rib and the top skin just to create a permanent bond. I'm gonna cut these out and you can guess what they're for. That's another video coming. So there you have it. So you can see, still working on the rear bumper for the Sign TC. That's it for this video. Short, sweet, simple. I think about 3 minutes. Maybe less. But minimum edited. You know what I'm saying? So, hey, thank you guys. There's a car show coming up on the 13th. I've been invited as a vendor. I'm gonna go out there, do a little raffle, try and get some merchandise out there, get my name out there, hopefully get some subscribers and get my views up. So Hey, appreciate you guys watching. Oh, I almost forgot. The center console for the 240 is pretty much 90%. I have a couple spots to hit up, but it's getting there. Got the seams like I wanted, so now it's just the upper part. I gotta fill, sand, and then I can finish this section and it'll be done. And on to something else to do for you. But anyway, thank you guys for watching. I appreciate it so much. Thank you for sharing the videos and commenting, liking. Don't forget, subscribe if you haven't already. And if you want to catch up, go back to the beginning where it started. And just watch them. Catch all the way up. All right, so appreciate it, guys. Love you. Hold myself in the face. See y'all next video.